Good morning everyone. This is Bank Nifty Futures 4 hours chart. I will show you how Bank Nifty Future going to perform in coming days using the trend line. First I will draw the trend line. I connect two eyes and extend the line. I connected these two eyes. This eye is 37,770 levels and this eye is 37,240 levels, and extended that line. You see that the lower top comes here, 36,550 levels. Exactly the market reverses from this level, 36,550, because the trend line rejection happened, exactly touches the trend line and rejection happened from that level. This is the upper trend line, and I connect the another trend line, lower trend line. This is the low. Recent two lows happened, 34,660 level. This is another low, 34,887 levels. I just connected the two lines. You see today's candle breaks the lower trend line here, and that means market breakdown happened. Based on the 4 hours chart, Bank Nifty Futures breakdown happened. But I don't think so market will start again continuously falling from this level. I don't think so. Because trend line broken happened. Before trend line broken, this is the support level. Lower trend line is the support level. After breaking the trend line, now it becomes the resistance. This lower trend line becomes the resistance. So market going to retrace the, again it wants to try that level, retest that level. That means market again will go back to touch this trend line. Not accurate touch the level. Maybe it will go something around 35,000. 35,100, 35,200, that levels, because this support broken. After that, one more time it will test again that level, because now it becomes the resistance. Once it touches the level, again it will start to fall again. That fall will be the big fall according to this trend line strategy. So we need to again take sell positions, short position from that level. You have to buy put options, or you can sell Bank Nifty Future, whatever depends upon your fund size. This is the strategy. I am not giving any calls or recommendations to anyone. I am just explaining what will happen. This is purely for educational and learning purpose. So you can learn first how these trend lines will work. Once you can understand all those things, after that you can take positions based on your own chart patterns, own technical readings. So now I will tell you what will happen based on the chart. So you see, according to my technical readings, market will go and test again this level. That means this lower trend line broken. Again it will test that level. It will touch that level, and again it will start to fall. Big fall will happen. How much points we can get in that big fall, I will tell you. First I will show you how it will perform. market will try to touch this trend line, lower trend line again, retracement. After touches, almost it will touch maybe it will touch the line, or maybe some below some 100 points, 50 points, again it will start to fall. You see this trend line, lower trend line level was 35,165, 170 levels. So from there again it will start to fall. Like this. So now market is trading around 34,600 levels. Today's low was 34,475. Now it is trading 34,639 levels. So according to this trend line strategy, market will go to 3500, 150 or 35,200 levels. Then from there again it will start to fall. According to my calculation, market will touch these levels, 33,300 levels. So you see from 35,200 to 33,300 levels, almost 2,000 points going to fall from 3500, 150 levels. So guys, you can take position from that level, you can make good money. This is a purely educational purpose. If you are interested, you can check with your advisor and take the position. Thank you friends.